exploring DeepSeek. Is China's AI model a chance or challenge? Welcome to another episode where we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we turn our focus to an emerging player on the global AI scene, DeepSeek, China's ambitious AI model. Is it an opportunity for growth and collaboration or a formidable challenge to the existing tech order? DeepSeek has been making headlines with its remarkable capabilities in natural language processing, image recognition, and more. Under the hood, it's a powerhouse of innovation, backed by massive datasets and cutting-edge algorithms. But what sets DeepSeek apart from other AI models, and why is it gaining so much attention? First, let's examine its potential as a chance. DeepSeek offers unprecedented opportunities for collaboration in research and development. By working together, international tech companies and institutions can push the boundaries of AI technology further than ever before. This spirit of collaboration could lead to breakthrough innovations, benefiting industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. Moreover, access to DeepSeek's robust AI tools can enhance productivity and efficiency, offering solutions to some of our most pressing global challenges, such as climate change and disease management. By leveraging DeepSeek, nations can foster economic growth, drive scientific research, and improve the quality of life for millions. On the flip side, we must consider DeepSeek as a potential challenge. With China emerging as a global leader in AI technology, concerns over data security, privacy, and technological dominance inevitably arise. There's growing apprehension about the balance of power in the tech landscape and ensuring ethical standards are upheld. Furthermore, the rapid advancement of DeepSeek could spark competitive tensions with other AI powerhouses, leading to an AI arms race. This scenario raises questions about regulation, accountability, and the potential for AI systems to be used in ways that may conflict with democratic values. As we look towards the future, the impact of DeepSeek will largely depend on how stakeholders address these concerns. It's crucial for the international community to engage in dialogue, establishing fair and transparent guidelines for AI development and deployment. In conclusion, DeepSeek embodies both a chance and a challenge. Its success will hinge on the balance of collaborative efforts and vigilant oversight. The global AI landscape is on the brink of transformation, and only time will tell how DeepSeek will shape our world. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the evolving world of technology. Until next time, stay curious.